Hey everybody, my name is Michael and today I'm going to give you my quick review of the SwissGear luggage suitcase. I have had this for several years now. It is the go-to suitcase that I use whenever I'm traveling. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to tell you what I really enjoy about it and why it might be a good fit for your traveling needs. Now this is indeed the 21-inch version, so this is really perfect for not only traveling long distances, but it's absolutely the perfect size to be able to store in the over-top luggage bin. As you can see, you have a zipper here, and then you do indeed have a second zipper up top here, where you can store all kinds of little items. Perhaps maybe putting a small toiletry bag in here would be good. And SwissGear does give you a strap that you can use if you do need it. I also think that this zipper right here is really nice. You can put an iPad in here or maybe a batch of devices. I'll open it up so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Now I do still have some cotton gloves in there from the last time I traveled, but this still gives you an idea of how deep these pockets are. You can kind of probably get a sense that it might be a good idea to put something in here that not only you'd be able to pull out easily for TSA, but items for perhaps a child in your family or toiletries, games, devices like cell phones and iPads would be really nice to go inside here. So now as you can see here, you can get a sense of what the inside of the suitcase looks like. I actually really do like this see-through mesh compartment here. Then there are also these stretchy pockets here. And then if you need it, this has the ability to be able to zip down and you can put additional items inside of here. I also like that SwissGear gives you a strap. So if you have a whole bunch of items and you really want to be able to secure them down, you can just snap it together and tighten it, and it'll keep your clothes or whatever items you want super secure inside of your suitcase. Of course, pulling the handle is very easy. Just push the button in the middle and now you're able to wheel around your suitcase wherever you need to go. I think that the mobility of the suitcase is also really nice. I like that this handle, as I'm moving it all around, is not automatically kind of collapsing back down into the suitcase. So it's not one of those cheaper suitcases where every time you try to push it in, it's kind of going in and out. Once you extend it and you start moving it around, it stays extended, and the overall maneuverability of the suitcase is actually quite nice. So overall, I'm really happy with my suitcase. I've been using it for years. It is the go-to suitcase that I use for traveling. And I think the biggest thing I like about it is that it's pretty small. I do have the 21-inch version, and that might be small for some people. It might be too small for some people, but I actually find that between preventing me from overpacking and the ability for it to fit perfectly in the overhead bin of a plane, I think this suitcase perfectly fits my needs, and I'm really happy with my purchase.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.